mobile is really a necessity now. It's not an option, it's not a nice to have anymore. People expect that flexibility in their workday.
It used to be that you had to work in an office, in a traditional workplace. And so now it's different in that you can be mobile, you can be in your car, at home, on a bus, and still be productive.
If individual users are more productive, company is more productive. And if company is more productive, definitely it is more competitive.
Mobile provides a benefit to the employee as well as to the company. You can take care of all your aspects of communication: voice, video, web, chat, IM from one device. And that device should be portable.
If you want to be successful with mobile, you have to think about several things. And you have to get started right from infrastructure to networks to what kind of devices you will be supporting.
Mobility is really broken down into a few basic parts. One of them is access and security. Another one is the device itself. And the others is applications, the applications that you need to deliver.
You need to have a secured layer for connectivity, and you need to have something that will manage these applications. Having that kind of separation between the private data and public data is very, very important. The best way to understand what mobile can do is look at IBM's own story.
Here at IBM, we started our mobile studies way back in 1999. And we really had our first smartphone studies in 2001.
People were just fascinated by them, just the novelty of them. And they were thrilled to have any application running on it, even if it had like a subset of the features that they would normally use on the desktop. Now people's expectations are much higher.
Everything is now changed from, well, we'll do mobile later as an afterthought. Now, everything we do is mobile first.
You need innovation, you need deployability, you need usability, and IBM has got that depth of experience.
We're providing advanced unified communications technologies and applying those to mobile computing. So that means that we can have instant messaging. That means we can have multimedia. That means we can bring in telephony into the mobile ecosystem and have a very kind of roaming culture within IBM. We've been there, we've done that, and we're excelling at that.
Everybody is aware of what's going on in the mobile. It's not just the techies and the tech industry, it's everyone.
In future, if enterprises are not mobile, they are not going to be in the business.
The future is really exciting as far as mobile. There will probably be technologies that's hard to even imagine now.
I think mobility is the most empowering technology that has come along in a long time. The capabilities introduced into our devices today are empowering us like never before.